A short demonstration of binning in Power BI. I have a data set of houses and I have years, the year the house was built. So if I look at the data, okay, this house was built in 1965, this was built in 1979, you have houses built in 1937, 1917, all the way up to 2015. So the oldest houses are 1900 and the newest houses are 2015. Now I want to calculate how many houses were built in each set of years. So that is what I do by doing binning. Okay, so if I go to year built and I say new group, the default is binning group. So bin year by count. So you go for number of bins. So if I say 23 bins, that means from 1900 to 2015 there are 23 bins of 5 years each. Now if I were to build a chart based on that, a visual, let's just create a column visual here, drag this, take the bin year by count and take the year built, and this, instead of summing the year number, because years is a number here, I do a count. So this tells me count of year built, and the x-axis is bin year by count. So for the year 1900 to 1905 there are 234 houses. For the year 1905 to 1910 there are 339 houses. For the year 1980 to 1985 there are 985 houses built. So this is I'm binning the years by count of bins. I said I want 23 bins here. Another way I could do binning, I go to new group, I create a bin year by size. So I say each year, each bin will have a size of 10 years. So from 1900 to 2015, which would mean there would be 115 divided by 10, right? So you'll have so many bins. So I've bin year by size. Let's just create another chart based on that. Stack column chart, year by size on x-axis, year built on y-axis. Instead of summing the years, because year is a number, I do a count. So here I have 23 bins of 5 years each, because that is what I specified. I said bin the years by count, that is 23 bins is the count I specified. Here I say bin year by size, that is each bin is a size of 10 years. So 1900 to 1910 to 1920 to 1930 and so on. So in this case 645 houses in the first 10 years and 806 in the next 10 years. 234 and 411, that is the same as the so this is every 5 years because I did 23 bins. And here I said bin by size, each bin is by 10 years. Here it is bin by count. I said I want 23 bins. So this is, each bin here is 5 years because it's 23 bins. Here each bin is 10 years because it is by size of 10. So here you can see this is 10 years, which is 645 houses. Here 234 houses plus 411 is 645. Similarly 1980 is 985 houses. 1980 to 1990 is 2282 years. So it will be this plus this. So you can bin your values by number of bins you want. Here I wanted 23 bins, or by size. Here I wanted each bin to be of 10 years. And remember, when you take the count when you take the year built, you don't sum up the years because the year is a number. Okay, year is actually a number. We don't want to sum up in the visualization. We want to count the number of houses in that year or in that bin. So again, this is count of bins, which I specified 23 bins. This is size of bins. Here I specified each bin is 10 years.